I'm not posting these videos on my website and on Facebook to make people envious, to think, oh, wow, look at he's getting to build his dream home, and it's so amazingly awesome. It's like a beautiful home that I will never have. I've always dreamed of something like that and I'll never have it. I'm not trying to create envy or jealousy with anyone. The objective of these videos are to motivate other people to accomplish their dreams, motivate other people to teach their teenagers character, such as perseverance, patience, discipline, follow through with commitment. So there's a lot of life coaches out there, there's a lot of motivational speakers, and they'll talk about your dreams and how you're going to accomplish them, and they tell you all the time, put up a vision board, put up a dream board, and then strive towards those dreams, strive towards those visions. Now I would almost bet you that your most expensive cost on that dream board is your dream home. And you're not quite sure how you're going to get there. The motivational speaker got you all hyped up, pumped up, and got your adrenaline pumping, and that worked for a few weeks, and you had a vision and certain ideas of what you're going to do to accomplish to save those hundreds of thousands of dollars, but then that kind of faded when you started to realize that your employer hasn't given you a raise in 10 years and that you're really struggling to even save several $1,000s at the end of the year. Then the motivation kind of fades because there wasn't a step-by-step process. It wasn't very specific on how you're going to get this dream home. Well, I'm being very specific here, and it's called the brute force method. What you do is you put this home on your vision board, but what you do is you break it down into different parts. You can visualize the parts of the home. That way you can, in your head, do a step-by-step process as how you're going to put all this together. Break it down into the lumber and the concrete and the plumbing and electrical and maybe even the siding and the shingles. How are you going to bring this all together to create your dream home? So if you have a dream board, it doesn't really matter how long you sit there and stare at it and meditate and dream about it. Meditation and dreaming is really not going to bring the home into your life. It's going to take hard work and hard effort. Now the approach that I like to take and you take is more of a brute force approach. If you're completely healthy and capable physically, then you should be able to build your own home or buy a pre-existing home that needs significant work, significant remodeling, turn it into your dream home. That's an opportunity, possibility as well. Now, the question is how much perseverance do you have? How much energy do you have to create your dream home with the brute force method? It only requires a couple ingredients. It requires perseverance and commitment. Sign up to do it and commit to it, and then persevere throughout the process, because it really only takes a year or less. How much are you willing to sacrifice? How hard are you willing to work to reach your goal of establishing your dream home? And then start imagining, how are you going to get those parts and how are you going to assemble it and put it together, because all it really takes is thousands and thousands of nails.